All right, so today we're going to take a look at the best minimal cases that you can get for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, not everybody wants all these bulky and heavy cases with all the protection. Some people don't really drop their phones or don't really scratch them up and things like that. They want the most minimal possible cases that they can get to just little tiny scratches, nicks and dings, and setting it down and stuff like little protections like that. Well, this is that list. These are the best cases that you can get. Now, before we get started, there is no particular order. Number 1 is not necessarily number 1, and number 5 is not necessarily number 5. These are just my favorite 5 minimal cases, and these are what I think are the best ones that you can buy. Now, all links and discount codes, if I have any, are down in the description below if you guys are interested to check it out. And if I have a video for it, that'll be down there as well. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first one on this list is going to be the Suti Phoneback. And just like it sounds, it's just a phone back, right? So we bring over the 17 Pro Max, you attach it here, and that's it. This is all you're getting. This is super, super minimal. Now, basically, on the back here, you get this very nice rubbery material. Of course, you're getting your MagSafe and alignment magnets here, which this is going to provide you way stronger MagSafe than what the regular iPhone 17 Pro Max back does, as well as a little bit of protection for your camera plateau here, because as we know, this is aluminum. It can scratch easier than previous titanium ones did. So this is going to give you that little bit of protection for the back of your device that you can just set down and go ahead. Now, it's going to come in a bunch of different colors and textures, so you can get silicone, you can get vegan leather. So Suti does have something for everyone. Now, just bringing over the MagSafe, I want to show you guys what the MagSafe is like without the Suti Phoneback on here. So for your 17 Pro Max, you just have, just regular MagSafe. But if we go ahead and just bring over the Suti Phoneback, all you do is just magnetize it. No adhesives, no glues, no residues, nothing like that. Just attach it, magnetize it, and look at how much stronger it gets. Let me actually connect it there. It gets way stronger compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself. Much stronger. Now, it's not going to be your craziest MagSafe strength out there. It's not going to be anything like that where you can take it and you really got to pull it off. No, but it does what it needs to do. It magnetizes to it. It really gives you that nice feeling, the silicone or the vegan leather if you decide to do that. It feels really good, and it allows you to still hold your entire phone, and it feels completely naked except on the back. So for those that are real minimal case lovers or who love to go caseless, this might be the perfect option for you just because it just protects that part right there without adding any extra bulk or weight or anything like that. You barely even notice that this thing is there when it's on there. And it looks super minimal. All you get is this little tiny Suti logo right there. No crazy logos or anything like that. It looks very clean, and you can pick whichever color you think looks best with your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Here I do have that cool gray, I believe it's called. I also have a black vegan leather one, but I've really been enjoying the silicone lately, and this is the one that I've chosen to use. So all around, yes, the Suti Phoneback is definitely one that I had to include on this list. Now, next up, we have something that's brand new to the market. This is going to be the Moft frame case. Now, if you guys know about Moft, you know they make that really nice vegan leather style case. They have a whole bunch of different accessories that are multi-purpose, and they're really, really nice. They have the tripod stands. They're all different kinds of wallets and this and that. They have a bunch. Well, this is one of their newest accessories. It's a case. It's going to be that Movas vegan leather on the back here. You're getting a polycarbonate camera plateau, some TPU corners on the outside, as well as on the inside. That'll help you with some drop protection, and just this nice, smooth, soft touch material here. It's not like felt or anything, but it'll protect the back of your phone. Of course, MagSafe and alignment magnet. And this is going to give you obviously a little more coverage than something like the Suti Phoneback. So what you do is you just put that in right there, and this is what we're looking like. You do get that little bit of a camera protection there, and then when it comes to the screen, you actually even get a tiny bit of a screen lip. So you can set this down on flat surfaces, and you should be good. Of course, same thing with the camera plateau. Now you just get a little Moft logo right there, and the back of this one is that vegan leather. Now it's going to come in just this color and one other one that has a little bit of red or orange around the sides, but I really like the kind of more so minimal, clean look of the gray and just the lighter gray right here. So of course the sides of your case are going to be exposed here, so you have easy access to your camera control and all of your buttons there. On the bottom, get a little coverage here as well as on the top, so if you do drop it in any which one of these ways, it should give you some good protection for your device. And now bringing over the MagSafe, one thing about Moft is they're going to have some pretty decent MagSafe, especially for vegan leather. It's, again, not the strongest MagSafe in the world, but it'll definitely do the job, especially if you have a good car mount or a good night nightstand charger, this shouldn't fall off at all. Even in the car, you're driving, maybe hit a little pothole. If that car mount has good MagSafe strength, you'll be just fine with this. But yeah, it's going to give you that nice little bit of protection going around the parts that really matter, but still give you that really almost naked feel when you hold the device. It's not sharp on the edges here at all. The bottom is not sharp whatsoever. It has nice curvature all the way around. So on the sides, it definitely feels like you're holding just your naked iPhone, but you still get that nice protection wherever it counts. So I definitely had to put the Moft Movas frame case on this list. Now, next up, we have the Phone Rebel Flex. So what this is if you guys know that Gen 7, you know it's one of my favorite cases. It has all that protection and all that going around, great buttons, all these things, great MagSafe strength, but this is going to be its baby brother basically. So you're getting just a similar style frame case. Now the back of this is real aramid fiber, nice and textured. You do get a Rebel logo here that does come out. You can replace that with whatever color you want, as well as the camera plateau does also come out. It has little screws right here that you can unscrew and change the color that you want. That aramid fiber is going to give you that really nice texture when you hold your device, but it's still going to feel super minimal in the hand when you are holding the phone with this case on it. On the inside, you get this nice felt material here, Rebel Flex 17 written here with your MagSafe and alignment magnet, and this also pattern right there that's going to help you protect it. Now, this is also going to give you those reinforced corners with that TPE, so this case is going to be rated for some pretty good drop protection. Even though it's a minimal case with your sides exposed, if you do drop it, it'll definitely still protect your phone. Now, just going ahead and bringing our phone in here, clicking that in right there, and here is what we have to look at right here. So yes, very good camera plateau protection on this one. You have no issues, and you even get those claw corners that Phone Rebel calls them, so you get some really good screen protection and camera plateau protection on this device without having to worry about dropping it or breaking your phone. Now, again, the sides are exposed here, so yes, they may end up scratching if that's something that you are worried about, but a lot of people, like I said, they don't drop their phone, put it with, keys or anything like that in their pockets, so a lot of people don't get any scratches on their phone throughout the entire year or the entire lifetime of using their device, so they may not always really want that. Now, quick disclaimer about this video before we move forward. One thing that I know some people might be asking is, hey, there's a lot of minimal cases that cover the sides of the phone, that cover the top and bottom more. Some even cover the camera control button with their own little version of it. Well, the reason I didn't include any of those cases on this list, and that's a little bit of a spoiler alert, is because I have not found one of them to have a consistent fit between all of the models. I have all of the ones that you're thinking about, right? Any one of them, not all of them fit consistently. I have multiple versions of the same case, multiple colors of the same case, and all of them have a little bit of a different fit to where it's tough for me to sit down here and really say, yes, I recommend it to you, because if you go out and you spend your hard-earned money on that, you may not get one that fits well. It might be too loose. It might be so tight that it'll actually scratch up your phone. And who wants that? Why would I go spend, 60, 70 bucks on one of those cases just for it to scratch my phone? That's really not good. So those cases are not on this list this year, unfortunately, because some of them I really love, but my fit compared to some other people who I've talked to's fit are completely different. And that's one thing that it's really tough for me to say and recommend for you, because you never know if you go and spend your money, whether you're going to get one that actually fits well or not, whether you're going to get one that may scratch up your phone or not, or is too loose, or whatever the case may be. So I did leave all those off of this list just because of those issues. So that's just something I wanted to mention here before we move forward. But yes, on the Phone Rebel Flex, going ahead and bringing over that MagSafe. This might be one of the strongest MagSafe cases on this list, because, if you know anything about Phone Rebel, you know they're giving you that insane magnetic strength. Now, also, with the Phone Rebel, it does come in a frosted version. However, I'm specifically recommending the Aramid, because the frosted one, number one, has the kickstand, which isn't a big deal, but number two, it has way too much branding for my taste. It has some branding here, all around the kickstand, and this one even has two areas. It has here, as well as on the top, it does say Flex right there. Well, on that one, it's going to do the same thing, plus the kickstand with the branding all over it. So I'm not a huge fan of all that. I like my cases to be nice and clean, so that's one of the reasons why I'm specifically recommending the Phone Rebel Flex as opposed to the Flex Frosted on this list. But yeah, getting good coverage. Again, all your corners are protected. Your bottom is nice and protected here. You are getting those raised corners all the way around the side, so that way, really, no matter which way you lay it down or you drop it, front down, screen down, camera plateau down, whatever, you'll be good to go. So I absolutely had to put the Phone Rebel Flex on this list. All right, now next up, you may be looking at this as like, what is this, B? What are you showing us as this other one that you're putting on this list? Well, this is gonna be the Arc Pulse. Now, this is one of my favorite minimal cases. When I'm looking to get something with a caseless feel, a lot of the time I'm going to this case right here. It has a bunch of different colors. It is a little pricey for sure, but this is one of their newest ones. They came out with the orange to match the orange iPhone, and of course a blue to match the blue iPhone. And I also have this one in black because I really love the way that black and orange look. It gives that nice contrast to the orange color. But most recently they came out with this, and I've really been a fan of it. So the way that it works is it just has this silicone material on the inside. There's no glue, no residue, nothing like that. All you have to do is you just take it on here, you align it, put it in, and you are good to go. Same thing with the bottom piece. Little bit of branding right there on the inside, but on the outside, all you get is just this little tiny Arc logo right there. Super, super clean and minimal. Make sure you actually put it on correctly. You just, like I said, take it, slide it on, and there you go. That's it. It is on your device. So this is what we're looking like. It's going to match really well with your orange color here, and it's going to give you the most naked feel out of any of these cases here. And it's also going to give you that nice protection. So one thing about Arc is there's drop tests online. You guys can see it. No matter which way you lay this thing down or drop it, screen down, camera plateau down, top, corner, bottom, however you want to do it, it has you protected. As you can see, a pretty good camera plateau lip right there. And you even get those little corners raised up for your screen, so you can set this down on its screen, you'll be good to go. You can set it down on its back, you'll be good to go. Like I said, no matter which way you drop it, it'll protect your phone, but also it gives you that really true naked feel. If you hold your phone like I do like this, you don't feel the case at all. On the sides, you don't feel the case at all, and I really love that about the Arc Pulse. It's very easy, no muss, no fuss taking it off. You get no glue, just like I said, everything is good to go with this one. Now, with the MagSafe strength, really no need to test that because it is just your phone's MagSafe. However, there is one thing that I do want to mention is that not all MagSafe battery packs fit on here because of the bottom piece. So if you have a smaller one, like the Apple MagSafe battery pack, it'll fit on there, right? But if you have one of the larger ones, a little more beefy, it may stick up a little bit right here on the bottom. Now, it'll still work, it'll still connect, everything like that. It'll just not make a full flush connection down here at the bottom of the device, which that's really the only downside for me when it comes to the Arc Pulse. But all around, I still love this thing, and it absolutely had to be on this list. All right, we are down to the last case. Last but definitely not least, we have the Aulumu Aramid for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, I have recently fell in love with this. When I originally made my Aulumu lineup video, I talked about this case. I said that I really liked it and all that, but I said one of the other ones was one of my favorites. Well, I've been using them. As you guys know, I go through all my cases. I use every single one of them, whether you see them on the channel only once or multiple times. I use all of the cases, so I really know what is good and what's not. And I've lately been coming back to this a lot over the last month and a half or so, and I've been loving it. So, metal camera plateau right there, but it's also nice and different because it doesn't look the same as all these other cases, whether they're just closed or individual cutouts. It has a really nice look. You get a little ventilation hole right there. This little red dot changes colors if your CPU on your phone heats up, which is really nice. A little bit of ventilation right there. All around, this is such a nice looking case. Very good texture here with Aramid fiber. On the inside, same Aramid fiber, MagSafe alignment magnet. There you can see all your little holes. Right here, you do get a little piece of silicone that, number one, does help protect the back of your phone a little bit, but number two, really allows it to detect whether your CPU is heating up. And all around, this thing has been incredible to use. If you guys see on my Instagram story, I do a case of the day every day, which, by the way, shameless plug, follow me on Instagram and all my other socials. They're in the links below where you can get my case of the day. I can talk to you directly, as well as seeing a little bit of behind the scenes of what goes on the channel. But yes, on Instagram, I've been posting case of the day, and you guys have seen this a few times on there because I really have been using it and I've been loving it. I use all these cases, just like I said, but something about this one has been making me come back to it a lot lately. So let's go ahead and bring over the iPhone. You just take it on. You heard that? That's an insane snap on here. Best fit out of all of these cases is right here, except maybe the Arc Pulse, because it does have that little bit of like a retention method where you have to slide it on so it really holds on. But otherwise, this is going to fit the best out of all the cases besides the Arc Pulse on here. It might even be a little bit better than the Arc Pulse. I don't know. You guys be the judge. If you have both, let me know down in the comments below. But yes, this is what we're looking like the Aulumu Aramid. Now, one thing about Aramid cases, just like the Phone Rebel Flex, it's going to show some fingerprints. So if that bothers you, that may be something to look out for, but they're easy to wipe off. No complaints about that. You get your ventilation and all those things. Your precise cutouts for your flash and LiDAR, but your camera plateau little area, your camera lenses are open. Love the way that this looks. All this ventilation to keep it nice and cool. Of course, your sides are exposed, so all your buttons and everything are super easy to get to, whereas your bottom and your top are nice and covered. Yes, that metal camera plateau here with nice camera plateau protection, so feel free to set that down. You'll be just fine. Now, there's really no screen lip on this one, but that's a minimal case. That's what all these cases are for. I didn't judge them based on, oh, do they have a screen lip? Do they not have a screen lip? Because these cases are for people who aren't really looking for that. It's a plus, of course, if it does have a good screen lip, but it's not a criteria for this specific list just because it's not really what this list is meant for. But yes, all around a very, very fantastic case. This has been on my phone a lot lately just because it looks so different. It's super nice and thin, and it has really, really good MagSafe strength. I mean, this is Phone Rebel MagSafe all day long. This is, some of the best MagSafe out there on the market. All your car mounts, nightstand chargers, battery packs, wallets, pop sockets, phone grips, all that stuff will work. Don't worry. It'll all work perfectly with this. I have been absolutely loving the Aulumu Aramid, and honestly, this might be my favorite case on this list right now because of the quality. It fits perfectly every time. All of these fit really well. That's why they're on this list, and I wouldn't have included a case that doesn't fit well. But this one is just super snug, super tight, extremely minimal, nice and thin, and this is a perfect case for those who are looking for something that is super minimal, but it'll also still give you that grip, that great MagSafe strength, a little bit of protection for your camera, and whatever else you may be looking for. Now, it's not going to really give you much drop protection because it's not really for that. Some of these cases do, but again, that's not really what this list is about. But all around, a fantastic case, and I absolutely had to put the Aulumu Aramid on this list. So that's been it, guys. Those are, in my opinion, the top 5 minimal cases that you can get for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Again, no specific order. These are just my 5 favorite. And yes, all links are down in that description below if you're interested. But let me know what you guys think about my list. What are your favorite minimal cases? Definitely let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. It goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my favorite 10 cases, the top 10 cases that you can get for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I'll leave that video right here. But if you're a leather lover out there and you want to see my favorite leather cases for the 17 Pro Max, that video will be right here.